Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home. And if you're looking for fun, engaging and interactive activities to do with your kids in the house, completely DIY, this is the right space for you. All you have to do is just press the button, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload this amazing content. So in today's video guys, I am showing you a complete DIY brain boosting activity which is going to help in concentration. And when I'm saying brain boosting, this activity is primarily for all ages. I'm going to be showing you till 12 years of age today, and I'm super excited because I have again used some very old toy of Vivan. And plus, like, a lot of people have told me if they don't have the toy, what needs to be done. So I've also showed the hack. Just to make this activity, all you need: paper, A4 size, any notebook, and some colored pens. These are the two materials that you would need to create this activity. I would be showcasing you everything that I have done, and you could do it exactly for your kids. But if you do that, make sure you give due credit to me if you are using it. What are we waiting for? Let's go check out the activity. Alright, so guys, these were the blocks that I had, almost 18 of them. So I thought just to recycle, reuse them, what can be done. Okay, so for the parents who don't have this, all you need is a piece of paper and some colors that I mentioned. And then you have to just create them in order. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to upload this template free of cost. If you need this template, just shoot out, leave a comment below and I'll send it across to you. You can just print that, or you could recreate it using the same template with this. So I have shown this one created here with sketch pens, and I have shown the same one created with dot stickers. So whatever you think you can do, you can create that. I have shown different variations here. So this one is a difficult one, this is an easy one, and that's a medium one. So I'm going to show you exactly what the difference is between the three of them when I'll be showcasing you the activity. So I'm starting with the difficult one today, and that's number 1, and I've color coded as green. So if this is the first one, each color has a representation, and that's going to be my first one. That is 7, 6, 8, and 2. Okay, so when I'm looking at the numbers, just do not perceive already that the numbers are too easy. Now, the child has to multiply each row, write the grand total. So this means each row they need to multiply. You could say each row and each column, and then they have to total the whole thing. But here I have just told them to multiply each row. Now, the second one, so this is the first thing that they can do by using this grid. And when I say this grid, guys, I have 18 of them. So they have to have different 18 numbers of combinations every time that they are doing. Going to the next one, now this is sum of each color. Okay, so 12, there are how many greens? There are 1, 2, 3. He needs to put a grand total of the green, the blue, the yellow, and the red. Okay, and then once he has all 4 of them, then he needs to total of all the numbers. So I have just shown you a couple of things that you could do. You could ask them to do division, you could do multiplication, you could use fraction here. You can try and implement whatever you want for the difficult one. Now going to the easy one here, which is for my kids who are in pre-K, preschool. They could actually, I have used the color and the sketch pens and the sticker. They can either replicate the same. Okay, that's just one of it, but again I have given alphabet to each one of them. So when they are looking at the screen, they have to write B, B, D, C, A, D. This activity is just primarily for utmost concentration. Let them do one card or maybe just one card in a day, and I think that will be sufficient. So here I have a lot of versions for the younger kids. I have capital and small, I have numbers, I have colors. So you have to just cut it up and paste it like this. Now they know the triangle represents the green. It depends on you how you want to present the activity, and you can do it. Now the medium one is something which is for first graders, kindergartners, learning words, and they are trying to understand a little bigger numbers, a little more of spatial intelligence, a little more of brain teaser. So a lot of concentration here. So what I've done, again, created number 3, and then you have these 3 dots. I have used 3 colors here to make the dots, and that's exactly what they have to do for each row when they're going to recreate the whole design on a piece of paper. So when I say a piece of paper, that's something like that. That's how you're going to give it to them, and they are going to keep this in front. they're going to keep this as a representation, and then they're going to recreate. Then I have different numbers. You could go numbers go up and down depending on your child's capability and what they're learning. And then I have this particular kind of shape which I think was interesting for that age group to try. I hope you like this video, guys. I think there are so many activities that can be done around it, and it's a complete brain teaser. So definitely would be a hit. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like this video. Do leave a comment if you find it interesting. And I would say don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.